Good morning, my loves. Welcome back to the vlog. Today I am up. I'm going to do some little bits and pieces for jobs. I'm doing a job with Vinted, so if it hasn't come out yet, keep an eye out on my Instagram for a link to my Vinted wardrobe because I'm selling a few bits on there. So I'm going to take a few product shots this morning. I've got some other bits to do. I've got to edit the photos from yesterday. Just worky things, basically. I popped a tiny bit of makeup on, literally did a brush job, just so we don't look too awful on the vlog. Because, you know, I also have to edit these back and it's painful to me. I do like how I look without makeup, but not when I'm like really tired and, you know, haven't really seen the sun properly for a long time, etc. I'm going to head downstairs because I think coffee is awaiting me to take these product pics, and then I'll get on with my editing. Zach's brought me this delicious breakfast. Hi my loves, finished all my bits this morning, sent stuff off to brands for approvals. So I think that might be my last selection of work that has to be sent off for this Christmas season, which is very exciting if it's the case. I may be forgetting something. Hopefully it all goes through okay. I did have another job come through which I might be doing next week, but also might be doing in January, so who knows. But anyway, this is my outfit today. It's colourful. Yeah, I'm wearing, like, my base is like this archet jumper, which I've worn so much. These Whistles jeans, barrel jeans. So that's the sort of base of the outfit, and then I've got on these lilac tie-dye socks to match my jumper. My Burberry shoes, which don't get enough wear, and will I instantly regret wearing these to swimming? 1000%. But you know, I'm trying to wear more of my wardrobe again. Then I've got on my Isabel Marant coat, which has been downstairs for weeks and weeks and weeks, and every day I pass it like I must take that upstairs so I can make an outfit out of it, and I keep forgetting, but I finally did it last night. And then I've got my green scarf on as well. Is it too much of a clash? I kind of like it. So that is me. I'm gonna head to swimming now with the little one. Oh, I'm feeling tired, but pleased that that's all done now, all those little bitty jobs. Yes, still no Christmas shopping has been done. So we are all done with swimming. Today I have managed to actually secure myself some food. I've got a meal deal because this baby's definitely going to fall asleep in the car, so I'm probably going to have to sit in the car for a little while, and I'm starving. So I got myself some food. We're going to have a little drive around and then we'll sit somewhere while she finishes her nap. But she is exhausted because she's not had her second nap yet. That is what we're going to do. So I will not be vlogging because I have to be quiet. Hi guys, updates from me. Just basically been hanging out with the baby all afternoon and evening, and just put it to bed. In fact, why can I not? Oh, I can hear it. Zach's just finishing off dinner, which I'm excited for. I've got some packages here which I'm gonna inspect. I think one of them's from Bare Minerals. But yeah, I'm gonna eat dinner and then I'm gonna head to bed. Let's see what's in these parcels. I've got another Free People one because they tend to ship orders like separately, depending on when they have stuff at the warehouse or whatever, or I think they ship some from America and some from here. I don't know, but I've got another Free People piece. It looks like it might just be one of the items, so I will maybe try that on for you upstairs. I'm not sure which one it will be. There's 2 more coming. But I am sending back the trousers and the tee from the other day. How cute is this? For a big Skin Longevity fan at Christmas, as we know, Skin Longevity Serum is my fave. And again, I have run out, so this is perfect timing. I was going to buy some more. But look, I got one of their Christmas gift sets with a full size plus a free mini. Honestly, this stuff is amazing. I know multiple other people that really like it as well, including Zach. Yes, definitely recommend this little set if you're looking to try it for yourself at a little bit of a better price because you get extra product, or give it to someone, a skincare lover. Right, my loves, I cannot move too much because the baby sleeps below us and she gets disturbed if I walk around on this creaky ass floor. But this is what I got from Free People. Let me zoom you in. I actually do like it. I think it's kind of cool. However, I fear it's maybe not for me. I don't know. I don't know if I'm just wearing it with the wrong stuff. I negotiated getting closer. Yeah, I think it's probably not for me. I don't know. Now I'm getting a bit older. I still like sort of grungy stuff, but I think I've got to sort of approach it in a bit of a different way. But I do like the sleeves and stuff. See, it looks a bit nice. I like that. I mean, obviously the overheads are not working in our favour right now. I don't know. What do you think? I think it's probably a no, right? Hi, my loves. The gold lamp behind me keeps wanting to steal my focus, so excuse me if it does that. I should probably just switch to manual focus. But anyway, so I'm in bed. I just want to explain this stain because it really bothers me when it appears in the back of videos. But basically, it is a water stain from me resting my wet teenage head fresh out the shower onto my headrest. Don't do this, by the way. And this bed is actually from Loaf. It was called something else at the time, but it's actually from Loaf. And I've always just hated this stain and been like, ew, it looks like I have a dirty head, it's kind of gross. But then the other day, the flat actually had Loaf sofas and they were made of material very much like this headboard is. And my water bottle leaked onto it and it made a huge water stain that just like did not disappear. So it's just the material, completely useless material. Why would you want sofas or headboards or anything made out of this material? So be warned, be careful with your creams from Loaf. Don't know if it affects other colours, but yes, it made me feel better at least that this literally is just a really bad water stain. Just had so many debates with myself. Zach's watching the football, so I came upstairs and I was like, oh, should I watch Klaus? Because I was supposed to watch it on the 1st of December, like I said, and then didn't end up happening because I went to my management's party, and then we've been so busy ever since, and also I'm so keen to get to bed every night that starting a movie after Ines has gone to bed is not what I want to be doing, but I don't really want to watch it for the first time with her. I'll watch it again with her throughout the Christmas season. I want to be able to like chill. I just watch it after she's gone to bed, but yeah, I've just been so tired, I've been so flat out. And I was like, oh, should I watch Klaus? And I was like, oh, should I have a bath? Because I came upstairs, realised I hadn't showered this morning, so I needed to shower and wash my hair, and I just could not be bothered to do that and stand up. So I was like, oh, will I have a bath? Then I was like, it's a risky move because the baby might wake up at any moment and nobody wants their bath to be interrupted by a baby crying, and I concluded I should not watch Klaus because I cannot chat about going to bed early and then start a film so late. So instead I got ready for bed extremely quickly, like as quickly as I possibly could. So I'm washed, I'm clean, my skincare is done, my teeth are brushed, and I'm probably going to watch a Housewives or something, and then I'm going to go to bed. Thank you so much for watching today. I will see you tomorrow for more fun. We're headed out to the farm. Obviously, I've got my PT session in the morning, which I ended up not moving. So I've got my PT session, then we're headed out to the farm. I'm going to see if I can edit the vlog before we go, but we'll see how I do. Yeah, and we've got to obviously repack everything. But I'm just going to chuck some stuff in a bag. But anyway, thank you so much for watching today. I will see you again tomorrow. Bye!